Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. On this occasion, I will explain some of the English Piba material. Enjoy for watching. Check it out. On the first slide, here are some points that I will discuss, including time to celebrate, dates, my kind of friends, gerund presence, and lend a hand. Pada slide pertama, di sini ada beberapa poin yang akan saya bahas. Nah, di antaranya yaitu tema mengenai waktu untuk merayakan, tema mengenai teman baik, ungkapan gerund, dan tema saling membantu atau ulur tangan. The number one theme is time to celebrate. Time to celebrate is a celebration or a moment to commemorate a special day. For example, Mother's Day, New Year's, dan Independence Day, Hari Ibu, Malam Tahun Baru, dan juga Hari Kemerdekaan. Time to celebrate adalah suatu momen atau perayaan untuk memperingati hari istimewa. Seperti tadi ada Hari Ibu, Malam Tahun Baru, dan juga Hari Kemerdekaan. That's my kind of friend is a material that relate about relative pronouns who and that. That's my kind of friend adalah materi yang mempelajari tentang kata ganti relatif who and that atau yang. For example, I like people who and that aren't too serious. Saya suka orang yang tidak terlalu serius. I want someone who and that I can have fun with. Saya ingin seseorang yang bisa bersenang-senang. Gerund phrases. Gerund phrases are sentences that are originally verb ing changed to nouns. Gerund frasa adalah kalimat yang verba aslinya diubah menjadi kata benda atau noun. For example, designing clothes is not a man's job. Merancang pakaian bukanlah pekerjaan pria. She'd be good at testing games. Dikatakan pandai menguji game. Number 4, lend a hand is a request with models is clauses and gerunds. Lend a hand adalah permintaan dengan model klausa dan gerundnya. For example, would you mind coming to my cousin wedding with me? Maukah Anda datang ke pernikahan sepupu saya dengan saya? Would you mind driving me to the airport? Maukah Anda mengantarku ke bandara? A picture time to celebrate. That's my kind of friend. Gerund presence. Lend a hand. Time to celebrate. For example, Mother's Day, New Year's, and Independence Day. Gerund phrases. For example, I like people who and that aren't too serious, and I want someone who and that I can have fun with. That's my kind of friends. For example, designing clothes is not a man's job. He's be good at testing games. Lend a hand. For example, would you mind coming to my cousin wedding with me? Would you mind driving me to the airport? Number 1, time to celebrate. Materi tersebut menceritakan tentang holidays and festival, menceritakan tentang hari libur dan juga festival. Contohnya, for example, birthday are days when the time of birth occurs in different years. Ulang tahun adalah hari di mana waktu kelahiran berulang pada tahun yang berbeda. Children's Day is a day when to project children's rights. Hari anak adalah hari untuk memperingati hak-hak anak. A wedding anniversary is a time when a special day recurs. Ulang tahun pernikahan adalah saat di mana hari istimewa terulang. Number 2, that's my kind of friend. Relative pronoun is a pronoun that vacation the connect sentence, which describes a noun. Jadi relative nouns adalah kata ganti yang berfungsi untuk menghubungkan kalimat, yaitu kata benda atau noun. For example, as the subject of the clause, I like people who and that have a good sense of humor. Saya suka orang yang memiliki selera humor yang bagus. As a object of the clause, I did like someone who and that I can talk to easily. Saya ingin seseorang yang dapat diajak berbicara dengan mudah. For example, I discuss my problem with people who and that I have known will for a long time. I don't want to have a roommate one who and that are very dirty. I enjoy teachers who and that are very kind and kind. And a ghostical person is someone who is person who and that only cares for himself. A modern person is someone who is person who and that will not be excessive. A stingy person is someone who is person who and that who is greedy and doesn't want to share. Number 3, gerund phrases. Gerund phrases is a noun that is formed from a verb ing. Verb dalam bentuk ing berubah menjadi noun atau kata benda. For example, killing, loving, eating, dan sebagainya. Gerund phrase a subject. Playing games all day would be lots fun in. Playing games all day. Playing games all day. Gerund karena verb ing atau berubah menjadi kata benda menjadi noun. Would be lots of fun berubah menjadi verb ing. Kemudian design kata kerja berubah menjadi designing menjadi kata benda atau noun. Gerund phrase as object. Gerund sebagai objek selalu diawali dengan preposisi at atau kata kerja yang selalu diikuti oleh gerund. For example, having your own business must be fantastic because we can be more independent and open jobs. Being a teacher would be really rewarding because we have an important role in the future of the nation's children. Making a living a tour guide seems pretty difficult because we have a big responsibility regarding the trip. Number 4, lend a hand. Lend a hand. For example, do you mind I use your cell phone? Mine just did. Apakah Anda keberatan saya menggunakan ponsel Anda? Punyaku baru saja mati. Would you mind if I stayed at your place for the weekend? Apakah Anda keberatan jika saya tinggal di tempat Anda selama akhir pekan? I was wondering if I could borrow your car tomorrow. Saya bertanya-tanya, apakah saya bisa meminjam mobil Anda besok? That's the material that I was able to bring. Thank you for watching.